Hi everyone, welcome to Automate Dream Shop. So recently we started working with the one dedicated session with the project management tool. Usually we will be covering in the manual testing itself, but what we will be covering the higher portion and what are the required for the QA, we will do that. Now we stepping into the project management tool who is really wanted to step into the a project manager or scrum master or the test manager who really needs to have the session. They want to have the a detailed of this concept of JIRA. It almost to take a minimum 20 hours and maximum 25 hours in this. And then, so actually we will be telling you like what is the Jira. And before to the Jira, what are the earlier technologies we have been used. So consider we do have like HP ALM, and then we will be migrating to the Jira, and now we will be maintaining the test case into the different things like uh, test drive. So these are the what are the applications we have been used to so far that almost take a 2.5 hours to 3 hours, and then we will be stepping into the Jira overview. So Jira is from the Atlassian product, and what is the licensed version, how we are going to buy on it, and how your company is going to buy, how as a by self use, how you are going to use. So those it will be taken around 2.5 hours, and then comes into the part of who is what is the backlog, and when it is the development is going, how you get to know all these concepts. So this we will be taking, and the what is the scrum team and who are the scrum master, product owner, developer, tester, whoever it may be. So what is the role of the year in the sprint planning, in the scrum, in the Jira, so why they want to participate over here. So these almost takes here 5 more hours. And finally, we will be into the Scrum board. In the Scrum board, how do you create an user story? How you have to create a epic? How you have to create a label? And then how you have to change the status? How do you start the sprint? How you have to assign? And who is the reporter? How is the story points that defined? What is the stage of it? Whether it is in backlog or how it could be like that. Because in the Scrum board itself, we will deal about backlog grooming and sprint planning and Scrum meeting and everything. So these all comes under the 7 to 8 hours over here. And then finally the roadmap is to achieve like what are the sprint, and how, if there is a release, how many sprints we are going to start each sprint, how many days we are going to plan. At the end of the sprint, how do you handle the retrospective session, how do you handle the demo. So these all comes into this part of this roadmap. These almost cover the 5 hours. Now totally we do have like the 21 hours. So now we comes into the part of the backlog, how you are designing the backlog as a product owner. How do you design the backlog? So it's kind of a mini project that you are going to do. It will be taking the 2 hours. So the finally what you learn from here in the Jira, you could able to iterate the quickly, and how do you handle your project, and how do you manage your workload, how many scrum team members is there, how you are going to do virtually, and everything we will be covering under this. This will take the couple of hours. And then for the these are the sprint planning activities what we are going to do. And finally we are at the end of the session. So hope you people are know like these are the important terms and conditions that we are following over here. And think if you want to specifically want to enroll yourself for the Jira project management tool, kindly contact us. Have a great day. Bye bye.